EU Life brings great science and a strong voice on science policy and science management.
I think the EU Life Alliance shows the world the power of bringing multiple institutions together, and that we are stronger together than we are individually.
We are trying to set up the environment where there is scientific freedom, where researchers can really do what they need to do to make progress in science.
We help researchers to deliver results that will save lives and that will improve the quality of life for future generations.
A sense of community, supporting each other, a number of tools to share, and a strong contribution to European policy.
It brings us an opportunity to improve life science research institutes.
EU Life shines a light on the life sciences, and in particular the special and unique role that research institutes play in the European and global research scene and policy setting.
So I think that EU Life is really strongly contributing to make the voice of fundamental researchers across Europe heard at the European policy level.
An alliance that enables the collaboration of prestigious research institutes in Europe at several levels, from infrastructure and management organization to sharing good practices and procedures for quality research and working environment.
Very strong culture of excellence, openness and inclusion.
And provides a catalyst for homogenizing science-related practices across Europe.
EU Life brings an extension of the impact of science and the work that we do in research institutions. It brings science to a larger audience to serve society.
Working together as a network, we have provided leadership in policy, research integrity, inclusivity and open science.
I think EU Life is the best platform that we have to bring excellence.
So I think we can all recognise the benefit of having networks that bring people together to share challenges and inspire change. But EU Life is more than that. It's a united voice.
EU Life, because it is an organisation of different life science institutes within different countries in Europe, it brings a lot of collaboration.
So we really push governments, organisations to stimulate and perform great research.
That it's great to be a scientist and that it can contribute for better communication across nations.
Life is science, and science is done best when done in close alliance with others across borders.
An environment, a space where open discussion, fairness and a good working environment for scientists are the norm.
We all know that we really need to engage the public and make research and the results of research accessible. And I think that EU Life is also participating in this, and it's a really important goal.
Is that sharing best practices in scientific research is to everyone's benefit.
I believe that EU Life has helped create a recognition that everyone in our institutes has a role to play in the scientific endeavour, and every voice should be heard in deciding how we perform science to best serve society.
I hope EU Life inspires future generations for a continuous quest for excellence in research.
EU Life will contribute to a healthier world and a more sustainable world, and definitely to a stronger role of science in society and a stronger role of science in producing knowledge that we need for